Hey guys, welcome to this video. If you're searching for a project management tool to help you streamline the communication with your team, to manage your tasks and organize your files, stay with me until the end of this video because I'm giving you an overview of a project management tool called Asana, and it's really nice. It definitely can help you in your projects, okay? Alright, so take a look in my screen and you're going to see how is the look and feel of Asana. So they have a free plan, so you can start using it with your team for a maximum of 15 members in the free plan. If you want more, you can go to the paid plan. But take a look at how is the interface. We have this lateral bar, as you can see the project. You can manage several projects in your account. And on the top here, you can create different workspaces. So workspaces, you can think about, for example, your personal workspaces for your personal projects, or you can create other workspaces like workspaces for clients and you manage all the projects inside of this client. Or you can think about maybe for department, you have projects from different departments. You can think about the way that you want, okay? Inside of a workspace, you have many projects. So let me show you how is it one specific project. So as soon as I click in those specific items, you're going to see the tasks and everything that is related to this project. So I selected this one called ZAPIER training, and I'm able to see many tasks related to this project. So when I click in this task, I can see the details of this project, a kind of note that I can just go here and edit this note, everything that I need, the structure, more information regarding the tasks, and based on this I can, for example, assign to someone, for example, from a member of your team to start this task. You can define a due date, and you have some other options like you can create a subtasks if you want to, it's a bigger task and you want to create subtasks, you can do this and assign each one of the subtasks for different persons and with different due dates. All right, you can attach files. For example, in this case, I have a documentation that I attached it to this task, so it's nice. And you are going to see the history right below and all the interactions. You can have the interactions. For example, I assign it, this person can answer, and you can add additional comments. And what is relevant, what is interesting is that everything is inside of the same, the discussions, the files, everything is related to that task is attached to that specific task. So you can see the discussion and understand clearly what is happening, what is the status, what is the position, what is the questions, and everything is related to that regarding that task. Okay, what else? We can add a kind of tag, so we can split by tags. Those specific tasks is really nice. Here on the top you can see the completed and completed tasks, or all tasks. You have some filters that you can add. And take a look, this is the name of the project, okay, and those are the aspects related to the project. So for example, I have a list of tasks and I can create new tasks. I can go to the conversation, and on the conversations I'm going to see everything that is in the discussion. Let's say I have a team working with me, and someone of the team is facing some difficulty. They can just post here, and everything that is posted in this part of the project, everyone is going to see those discussions, okay, and not related to one specific task, but everyone that is discussing, and the other one can help or can post some status about the project. All the status of the project is going to this main board here, right? What else is interesting? You can see in a calendar. On the calendar you can see all the tasks that is related to this project. So everyone that has assigned some due dates, it's going to appear here, so I can see who is the person that is contains this one specific task, and that's nice because I can click here, I can check more details, and it's a good way that I can track if everything it's okay, right? I can see the progress of the project. So if you are the project manager, you can add some status, and everyone is going to receive the status. You can add your clients as well, so your clients can keep checking what is happening, how is the progress of your tasks, and you can raise some status, like let's say every Friday you can add a reminder. Every Friday you need to update the project status, so everyone associating this project can understand how things are going and the issue, the risks, everything is going well, etc. Right? And if you need to have a centralized view about all the files that is being exchanged or attached to a task, you can go to this section and see all the files of the project. That's pretty nice, because if you need to find something very quickly, a specification, a design, mockup, anything, you can just go here and search for the file, take a look on the file. Right? So this is in terms of the project, as you can see, all the things. And for example, you can see some other stuff, like for example, team conversation. When you go to team conversation, you have the conversation of everyone, okay, related to all projects here. If you go to the team calendar, you are going to see, for example, the same for all the projects right here. Okay, let me see if I have something. Yep, right. So you can see different projects, and I have basically all the projects. If I have tasks, I'm going to see all the team tasks in a calendar view. That's pretty nice as well. Okay, and of course, we can check. They are providing a mobile app that is pretty good. So on the go, on your mobile phone, you can create a new task. You can have discussions regarding one task, clarify any questions that your team raise. And basically, this is the app. I just open, go to the App Store or Android Play Store and download the Asana app. You can go to My Tasks, and you're going to see on the calendar view all the tasks is related to, based on tomorrow, based on date, today, what you need to do. You can check all the details, you can comment, you can make a mark to follow this task and see everyone that is related to this task. All right, so that's pretty nice. You can click on the days specifically to see and go directly to that day. You can see your inbox, all the message that all the comments in tasks that you are associated. You can see a list of all notifications, so it's pretty good in order to go directly to clarify one question. Here you can create new tasks, new projects, or have a conversation with your team. You can go to the projects and see the projects that you are associated, and based on this you can go to that specific project and see all the task lists and everything related to this project. For example, if I click here, I can see the same thing like task list or calendar, conversations, or members associated with this project. It's a nice way to find everything. Okay, so that's pretty good, pretty straightforward. If you are looking for a way to streamline the communications, organize your project, it's a great tool that you can start with basically free, and just organizing your team in a central place. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, just like this video and subscribe for new videos that is coming on the next few days. And yeah, leave your comments if you have any questions. Okay, I will leave some links on the description of the videos if you want to know more about my work, about my trainings. Okay, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.